Hi, it's Phil here. I'm here today to show you a very unusual Honda CR-V. So it's a 2-litre auto petrol executive premium limited edition. Now there's a mouthful for you. So it's got really good spec on it. Starting with the front, so as you can see, it's an 0454 plate. It has the fog lights, headlight wash, and it's also got the uprated bumper on it as well. So it's going to take you down the line of the car. I'll show you a couple of bits in a second. So there's the bonnet. Obviously it's got the sunroof. Now taking in the wheels, these are 215, 55, 18 Momo wheels. They've cost a fortune, but they're on them, and there's 5 of them. There's one on the spare as well. You also have the privacy glass. A few knocks here and there. There's a slight dent there. I don't know if you can pick it up with the camera. Very slight. The tyres are like brand new. You can pick it up on this video. And the spare is brand new. All with cracking tyres. Slight mark there. But 80,000 miles, 1 owner from new, 6 MOTs with Honda. Privacy glass, uprated wheels. Down the line of the car again. Slight indentation there, a touch up. But really, for the miles and for the year, mainly the year really, you're going to get something. There's one there as well. But absolutely nothing crazy. Take you in the front. I didn't do the back one. Really unusual, really out of the box car, top spec, absolutely top spec. So what I'll do now is I'll take you inside the car, so I'll see you in a second. Hi, it's Phil again. So what I'm going to do now is take you inside the car, starting with the engine bay. So just have a good look round. Don't forget, this is a HD video, so you can go into every nook and cranny on the car, and you can stop and start it. So there you have it. 6 MOTs with Honda, 2 services with Honda. Just been serviced and just MOT'd. 1 owner from new. This is really unique, this car, because it's a executive 2-litre auto. Nothing really unique about that, but it's a premium limited edition with 80,000 miles. Uprated audio and video system throughout. Uprated central armrest. It's got the nice colour contrast with the grey coloured seats. Still got the factory mats with it. Obviously electric windows and what have you. Look at this. Very rare to see it in one of these. It really is. Slight blemish on that screen, but anyway, not bad for the age in the year. So as I said, 80,000 miles. It's an 0454 plate. Got the table, the picnic table in the boot. Parcel shelf and cover for the rear as well, which is nice to see. Again, just nice bits of history with the car. good colour combination. I tell you, you just don't get this colour. And again, there's the sunroof and so on. Taking you into the front passenger side door card. Taking to the so there you have it. So what I'll do now, if you need any further information on the car, please don't hesitate to contact us. My number is 07775 038 270. 80,000 miles, one owner from new, just been serviced, just MOT'd, and with the best spec you'll ever see on one of these cars. Thanks for watching the video, and I hope to hear from you soon.